Looking for a luxurious escape in Cabo San Lucas that combines sophistication with genuine Mexican hospitality? Let me tell you about Pueblo Bonito Pacifica, an adults-only all-inclusive resort that has been making waves in the competitive Cabo hotel scene. This property sits on the Pacific side of the Baja Peninsula, which means you get those dramatic sunset views that Cabo is famous for, along with a more serene atmosphere compared to the bustling downtown area. The resort is part of the prestigious Pueblo Bonito collection, a family of properties known for delivering upscale experiences without the stuffiness you might find at some luxury resorts. What sets this place apart right from the start is its commitment to creating a tranquil, adults-only environment, making it perfect for couples seeking romance, friends planning a getaway, or solo travelers who want to relax without the sounds of kids splashing in the pool. The architecture here draws inspiration from traditional Mexican design, with warm earth tones, elegant archways, and plenty of open spaces that let you feel connected to the beautiful surroundings. From the moment you step into the lobby, you get a sense that this place takes its hospitality seriously, with staff members who genuinely seem happy to see you rather than just going through the motions. The accommodations at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica are where this resort really starts to shine, and trust me, they have put serious thought into making sure guests feel pampered from the moment they enter their rooms. The property offers several categories of suites, and yes, I said suites because every single room here is a suite, which means you are getting significantly more space than your typical hotel room. The junior suites serve as the entry-level option, but do not let that fool you into thinking they are basic. These rooms come with separate living areas, which is perfect when you want to spread out and not feel like you are living on top of your suitcase for the entire vacation. Each suite features a private balcony or terrace, and depending on your room location, you might be looking out at the Pacific Ocean, the resort gardens, or the pool area. The ocean view suites are obviously the most sought after, and for good reason. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing and opening your curtains to see nothing but blue water stretching to the horizon. The rooms come equipped with comfortable beds that actually let you sleep well, which is not always a given at hotels. You will find marble bathrooms with deep soaking tubs, perfect for a relaxing soak after a day of exploring or just lounging by the pool. The suites also include modern amenities like flat-screen televisions, air conditioning that you can actually control, minibars that get restocked regularly as part of the all-inclusive package, and coffee makers for those who need their caffeine fix before facing the world. For guests who want to take things up a notch, the resort offers premium suite categories with even more space, upgraded furnishings, and enhanced amenities. Some of the higher-tier suites include extras like pillow menus, premium bath products, and even butler service for those who really want to feel like royalty during their vacation. The housekeeping staff does an excellent job of keeping everything spotless, and they are respectful of your privacy, not barging in at inconvenient times. One thing guests consistently mention in reviews is how comfortable and well-maintained the rooms are, which matters more than you might think when you are spending a week at a resort. When it comes to dining, Pueblo Bonito Pacifica takes the all-inclusive concept seriously and offers a variety of restaurants that actually make you excited about meal times rather than dreading the same buffet every single day. The resort features several specialty restaurants, each with its own unique atmosphere and cuisine style, so you can have a different experience every night of your stay. One of the standout dining venues is the Italian restaurant, where you can enjoy classic dishes prepared with fresh ingredients and authentic recipes that would make any Italian grandmother proud. Think homemade pasta, wood-fired pizzas with perfectly crispy crusts, and rich sauces that make you want to lick the plate when no one is looking. The seafood restaurant is another highlight, which makes perfect sense given the resort's location right on the Pacific coast. Here you can enjoy fresh catches prepared in various styles, from simple grilled fish that lets the natural flavors shine through to more elaborate preparations with creative sauces and presentations. The International Buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering a wide variety of options for those times when you cannot decide what you are in the mood for or when you want to try a little bit of everything. The breakfast spread is particularly impressive, with everything from made-to-order omelets and fresh fruit to pastries and traditional Mexican breakfast dishes. For a more casual dining experience, the resort has a grill area where you can grab lighter fare like burgers, sandwiches, and salads, perfect for those days when you want to eat by the pool without having to change out of your swimsuit. The bars scattered throughout the property keep the drinks flowing, with skilled bartenders who can whip up classic cocktails as well as creative specialty drinks. Whether you are in the mood for a perfectly made margarita, a cold beer, or something more elaborate with multiple ingredients and fancy garnishes, the bar staff has you covered. One of the best spots for evening drinks is the lobby bar, where you can enjoy your cocktail while listening to live music and watching the sunset paint the sky in shades of orange and pink. The quality of food and beverage service at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica consistently receives high marks from guests, with many noting that the variety and quality exceed their expectations for an all-inclusive resort. The restaurant staff is attentive without being overbearing, and they genuinely seem to care whether you are enjoying your meal. The pool and beach facilities at this resort deserve special attention because they really contribute to the overall experience and give you plenty of options for how you want to spend your days in the sun. The main pool area is beautifully designed with multiple levels and sections, creating different atmospheres within the same space. You will find areas that are more lively and social, perfect for meeting other guests and enjoying the poolside entertainment, as well as quieter corners where you can read a book or take a nap without being disturbed by loud music or conversations. The pool is surrounded by comfortable loungers, and the resort provides plenty of them so you are not stuck in that awkward situation of trying to claim a chair at dawn like you are storming the beaches of Normandy. Attentive pool staff circulate throughout the day, offering to bring you drinks, snacks, and fresh towels, so you barely have to move once you have settled into your spot. The resort also features swim-up bars where you can enjoy a cold drink without even leaving the water, which is exactly the kind of convenience you want when you are on vacation and feeling particularly lazy. For those who prefer ocean swimming, the beach at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica offers direct access to the Pacific, though it is important to note that the Pacific side of Cabo tends to have stronger currents and waves compared to the calmer waters of the Sea of Cortez. The beach is beautiful for walking, sunbathing, and watching surfers tackle the waves, but swimming conditions can vary depending on the day, and the resort posts flags to let guests know when conditions are safe. The beach area includes palapas for shade, more loungers, and beach service so you can order food and drinks without trekking back to the main resort area. Some guests enjoy the more dramatic, natural feel of the Pacific beach compared to the sometimes overly calm waters on the other side of the peninsula. The resort also offers beach activities and water sports, though some of these may come with additional fees beyond the all-inclusive package. You might find opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, or boogie boarding, depending on ocean conditions and what the resort has available during your visit. Activities at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica go beyond just lounging by the pool, though there is absolutely nothing wrong with making that your primary vacation activity if that is what you need. The resort features a well-equipped fitness center for guests who cannot bear the thought of skipping their workouts even while on vacation. The gym includes cardio equipment, weight machines, and free weights, along with views that make exercising slightly less painful than usual. For those interested in staying active in more enjoyable ways, the resort organizes various activities throughout the week, from beach volleyball games to water aerobics classes in the pool. Yoga sessions are offered in beautiful outdoor settings, allowing you to stretch and breathe while surrounded by tropical gardens and ocean breezes. The resort also arranges excursions and tours for guests who want to explore beyond the property, including snorkeling trips, whale-watching expeditions during the right season, ATV adventures through the desert, and visits to local attractions. The activities staff does a good job of providing information about these options without being too pushy about trying to sell you on every single excursion. Evening entertainment varies but often includes live music, themed parties, and shows that give you something to do after dinner besides just heading back to your room. Some guests appreciate having organized activities available, while others prefer to create their own schedule and simply enjoy the resort facilities at their own pace. The beauty of Pueblo Bonito Pacifica is that it accommodates both preferences, offering enough activities for those who want structure while never making anyone feel obligated to participate. The spa at Pueblo Bonito Pacifica deserves its own discussion because it represents one of the resort's major draws for guests seeking relaxation and pampering. The Harmonia Spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments designed to help you unwind and forget about whatever stresses you left behind at home. The spa facility itself is designed to promote tranquility, with soothing colors, soft lighting, and that perfect spa music that somehow makes you feel relaxed before your treatment even begins. Treatment options include various types of massages, from traditional Swedish massage to deep tissue work for those with serious muscle tension, as well as hot stone massage that combines heat therapy with skilled manipulation to melt away knots and stress. Facial treatments are available for different skin types and concerns, using quality products that leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. Body treatments like scrubs and wraps help exfoliate and hydrate your skin, which can really use some extra attention after spending time in the sun and salt water. The spa also offers salon services including hairstyling, manicures, and pedicures, so you can get completely pampered from head to toe. Many couples choose to book treatments together in one of the spa's couples suites, where you can enjoy massages side by side followed by time in a private relaxation area. While spa treatments typically cost extra beyond the all-inclusive package, many guests find them worth the splurge for special occasions or just as a way to make their vacation feel even more indulgent. The spa staff is professional and skilled, and they take time to understand what you are hoping to get from your treatment rather than just going through the motions. The facility also includes amenities like steam rooms and saunas that guests can use to enhance their spa experience or just as a standalone relaxation activity. Some guests make spa appointments a regular part of their vacation routine, booking treatments every few days, while others save it for one special experience during their stay. Since Pueblo Bonito Pacifica is an adults-only resort, there are no kids clubs or children's activities to discuss, which is actually one of the property's main selling points for its target audience. The adults-only policy means the atmosphere remains peaceful and romantic throughout the property, without the sounds of children running through hallways or splashing loudly in the pools. This makes the resort particularly popular with honeymooners, couples celebrating anniversaries, and groups of friends who want a more sophisticated vacation vibe. The staff can focus entirely on adult preferences and needs, from the types of entertainment offered to the overall ambience of the restaurants and bars. While families with children might want to consider one of the other Pueblo Bonito properties that welcome guests of all ages, those seeking an adults-only escape will appreciate the tranquil environment that this policy creates. The resort attracts a diverse mix of adults, from young couples to retirees, all sharing an appreciation for a more serene vacation experience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.